Rocket grabbing 3 green cubes. The Sid, offensive red off the post, 5 points each. Team Rocket grabbing some more greens. They're going to try to get these into the goal to get that uniform bonus. Looks like a piece that's falling off. Team Rocket is spending some cubes into that first goal. 35 seconds left, you may now switch drivers.
I don't know.
Sid,
I didn't realize
grabbing some more green cubes. They must now switch drivers. 20 seconds left. We'll see if any teams can get some more cubes into these goals. With only 10 seconds remaining in the match, we'll see if any teams can successfully pull off the park. Team Rocket still trying to get some green cubes. The Sid gets a park right at the end. All right.